Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an LG brand washing machine and it's giving you an S, small u, small d error code and you're wondering what this is and how to get rid of it. So the SUD, as you might guess, stands for SUDS. So that's because the washing machine is sensing that there is too much suds in the washing machine. So what's going to do is when it's not going to actually turn off if it gives you this. What it's going to do is it's going to show you SUD on the display, and then it's going to run like a suds reducing cycle, which basically, to reduce the suds, basically the machine just kind of slows everything down so that it's not churning up that detergent, making lots of suds. So what's going to happen is it's just whatever you're washing is just going to take a lot longer to clean, because it's going to go through this suds cycle. All you got to do is wait it out. But there's a couple things that you can do. One thing you can do is you can actually just run, and once that's over, you can actually run an empty cycle with no detergent, no nothing, just to get everything rinsed out. And then going forward, to avoid having this suds issue in the future, you just want to make sure you're using the right type of detergent and you're using the right amount of detergent. So if you should be using high efficiency detergent if it's asking for it. And then just make sure you're using the recommended amount of detergent, and whatever you're putting, just try putting less detergent in next time and see if that doesn't get rid of the error. But anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.